Hey there campers, it's Barry here with Southern RV, and behind me we've got a 2021 Zinger 280BH. This is a bunkhouse camper and it only has one slide on it. It's got some pretty neat features. We're going to check it out, so hang in there and we'll get right to it. Alright, so starting on the outside of the camper, we're going to walk up here and notice that we have an electric front tongue jack. This unit is pre-wired for solar. We have our connection point right here on the frame, and that's going to be for a trickle charger to charge off that main 12-volt battery. This unit is equipped with a pass-through storage up front. You can see it right there. It's a nice wide area, and it has all electric jacks. So at the touch of a button, our jacks are going to run up and down. That's pretty easy to do when you're setting up camp. And if we duck up under here, we'll notice that we do have an enclosed underbelly. And one of the things that they're doing this year with Zinger that I really like is they have a freshwater quick drain. So no longer those tiny ports. This is a nice big wide port with a pull tab. That's going to drain that freshwater tank real fast for you. Outside, notice that we do have power and cable for hooking up a TV out here. And we have this nice large electric awning. And notice that it is LED lit across the top there. Solid step entry. And we have a small outside kitchen area. So it comes with this small refrigerator, a sink, and a 2-burner stovetop as well. Hopping up inside the vehicle, notice that as soon as we come through the door, there is a door on the right there. That is going to be the pantry, and the main bunk beds are off to the left. This is going to be a corner bunk, corner bath model. The bunks are double wide, which is kind of a nice feature. And there's storage up underneath them. Built-in ladder for getting up, and if we turn back and look this way, we'll notice that we have the pantry that I was talking about. Let's cut a light on in there. It's nice and deep. I like this pantry because they offset the shelves back to the back and give us room for putting in brooms or vacuum cleaners or things of that nature in there. You could also put like a coat hanger or two on the wall and make it multifunctional. Alright, so the main cabin here features our slide, which is out, and you can see we've got these two big windows on it. In the slide, we have our jackknife sofa, so that will lay flat to become a bed, and our U-shaped dinette that will also lay flat to become a bed. Across from the jackknife sofa is our entertainment center. It is equipped with a sound bar and a spot to hook up a nice large flat screen TV. And there's some storage down below that as well. You can see our corner bunks in the back there. And this door that's across from these corner bunks, that's going to lead into our bathroom. Bathroom features a nice large shower with a skylight above. And then our foot flush toilet is down low. All of that is across from our sink as well as a medicine cabinet. They do provide us with some pantry style storage here. We'll open that up and check it out. Nice deep shelves. And the kitchen in this unit consists of a 12-volt refrigerator that's from Norcold. So So it doesn't run on gas. It actually runs on 12 volt and it doesn't require an inverter. We have our microwave up top, a glass topped 3-burner stove with an oven beneath. And notice that we have some blue mood lighting in here as well that can be cut off and on. We have a large single basin stainless steel sink and plenty of cabinetry for the purposes of storage. As we push towards the front of the camper, it leads us into the bedroom. The bedroom consists of a queen bed, and on either side we have storage in the form of hanging closets. Also of note is that if we lift the bed up, there's storage up under it as well. It's kind of a nice large trunk. And down there in the floor we can see that we have a sink cover to cover up that sink and give us a little more counter space as well. Now in the bedroom, at the foot of the bed and up on the wall, we have TV mounts and a spot for a TV backer plate. So we could mount a small flat screen TV into this bedroom too. Notice that we do have windows that open up on either side of the bedroom so that we can get a nice cross breeze if you're camped in an area where the weather's nice and cool. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this quick tour of the Zinger 280BH. Check us out online at southernrv.com. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, happy RVing.